Hello guys, so let's see the problem number second of the same contest. So in this we have given a n into m grid and thus a cell represent a seat. Okay, so in this there is a boy Rahul and a girl Tina. So Tina wants to paint the seat in the pink color, and she has exactly k buckets of pink paint, and each bucket can paint only one seat. Like one bucket is for one seat. So Rahul wants the distance between them to be minimum, and Rahul also hates the pink color, so he don't want to sit on the pink seat or the painted seat. And Tina can sit anywhere, like on the painted, or if it is not painted. So Rahul want the distance between them to be minimum between Tina and him, and Tina wants the distance to be maximum. So Rahul is wondering if the value of k is varying from 0 to n into m minus 1, then in each scenario, what will be the possible distance between them? So we have to tell that. Let's see from diagram. Like if we have 4 into 4 grid, okay, and a cell representing a seat of the room. So first, Tina will paint the seats. Like she has k buckets, so she will paint k seats of this grid. And after that, Rahul will choose one seat to sit, but he hates pink color, so he don't want to sit on the painted seat. So he will choose the unpainted seat to sit. So after that, Rahul will choose some place. And after Rahul, Tina will choose some place to sit, like far from Rahul. She wants the distance between them to be maximum, but Rahul want the distance to be minimum. Okay, so we have to calculate optimally for both of them. So let's say if there is zero bucket, then Tina cannot paint any cells. Then Rahul can sit anywhere. So where will Rahul sit? If Rahul will sit here, then Tina will sit here because the distance between these two cells will be maximum. So Tina can sit here. So and for example, Rahul will sit here. Then what will be the cell which has the maximum distance from this? So it can be this. Like this is not maximum. This is also not maximum, but this is maximum because this is 1 and 4 and it is 3 and 2, so the distance is 2 plus 2, so it is 4. And if this was the cell, then it is 4 into 4, so in this the distance will be 3, which is not maximum. So what we are doing is we have to find for every cell what is the maximum distance cell so that Tina can sit there. Because we know that one by one every cell will be painted, okay, because the number of buckets will increase from 0 to n into m minus 1. So Rahul so for Rahul, he has to change his seat. Okay, if the number of painted seat is 0, then he can sit anywhere. If it is 1, then after leaving one cell he can only sit to n into m minus 1 seats. So if she paints n into m minus 1 seats, then he have no choice but to sit only on the remaining cell. So what is the intuition behind the question is we have to find for every cell what is the maximum distance point for a particular cell. So what is the maximum distance point? Like for this point, if we are talking about, then this is maximum. This is not maximum. This distance will be something. Okay, but we know that if this distance will be something, then this will surely be more than this. So we can just choose this. So what we can see here, the corner points will always be the maximum for for all the points. So we just have to see which corner point is the maximum. So we can for every point we have to just check which corner point is having the maximum distance and just store the maximum distance of that corner point. Okay, so let's see the code part of this. So in this, I have taken the input n into m as a grid size. Okay, so I am checking for every, I have a loop which is going from 1 to n and inner loop which is going from 1 to m. So I am checking like these all the corner points. Like this is the 1 point and this is 1 point, like top right, and this is bottom left and it is bottom right. So all the 4 points. So whatever be the maximum point, let's store that point. Okay, and after that just sort them out and just print them. So this is the answer to this question.